Hello, good day. I am Jay Sarno, 28 years of age, from Farmondap, Panabo City. I've been married for almost 3 years and have two beautiful children. And I am graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science. I am a holder of a driver license and can communicate in English but not that fluent. And I also can do basic computer literature. I received several certificate for my works and technical salesmanship program. I also did certificate for training in sales. When I graduated at the university, my first job that I came in is in the ICT, which is the Davao International Container Terminal. In there, I became office clerk in 6 months. In my next job, I've been into Del Monte Fresh Produce, which I became quality inspector assurance to check the quality of the banana and the pineapple before it can go into the market. In my third job, I came in the Taplis Solution Corporation. In 4 years in that company, I've been in a field technician as a swine technician for 4 years, and I handled a lot of scenarios, including handling the 500 to 3,000 sows. And the next company I came in is a Taplis Solution. In my years as a swine technician for 4 years, I handle a lot of different scenarios. I handle 500 to 3,000 sow level, commercial and backyard farm, and been there. So I developed my strength to communicate with our customers, and how to also I learned how to proper, and through those skills I developed and build who I was. And I developed also how to proper technical maneuver to proper manage farm, biosecurity from farrowing to weaning, and also to inject supplements for proper nutrition. And for the last part, I came in the most premier company in the Philippines, Univet Nutrition Animal Healthcare Company, UNACO. I've been here as a salesman for almost 2 years, veterinary sales representative. My product is for poultry, swine, feeds, and veterinary medicine. So from previous work, I've been 4 years technical in swine industry. I get promoted as a veterinary sales representative. So in there, I'm currently working, and up to now, I am veterinary sales representative at UNACO. I decided to work abroad because many of my colleagues has already been abroad, and I see it is a reference to why I should not work in abroad. So I tried to apply overseas work because there's so much potentials and benefits in that country, in the work. And I would like to become a swine technician to use the experience that I gained through my previous works, and to use my profession as a graduate of animal science. And that's all. Thank you.